Okay, now I'm about to, like, as you would call, detail my car. Not really, because I'm not a detailer, but I'm trying to be all professional and wipe the car off a little bit after. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Hey everyone, so this is the start of a new vlog. I'm currently in the middle of filming another video, but I'm trying to figure out if I can get this tripod piece to work because I've been through so many tripods, and I know I told y'all once before that I've brought new tripods only because the piece that holds the phone or your camera broke off, but the other half was always good. So that was my main problem, so I thought I had to just throw the tripod away and get another one. But I couldn't find this for a while because remember I told y'all I was going to try this out on one of my old tripods that broke. This piece right here is supposed to be a phone tripod mount, and it looks just like the tripod that I got, but I'm not sure if my tripod, this is one of my #1 tripods I had when I first started filming videos. So I found this somewhere. I don't know, I didn't even know I still had it. I thought I lost it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not sure if this thing is worse off because look at this. Let me see if y'all can see that. It's like chipped and everything. So that thing, it looked like it melted too. Like when did that happen? I mean, I'm about to see if this actually works. So this is it. Let's see. I think I need some scissors. Oh, maybe not. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this open and I'll come back. Here we go. Let's see. Trying to figure out, because this is the piece. I think it went like that. That was the old piece. So, okay, I'm trying to remember because it's been so long since I've worked with this tripod. This was like the first tripod I ever had. So, let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. Alright, so this is the tripod. You know, the bottom of it is perfectly fine. Now, I do remember... Alright, so this is the little, handle thing that you use to move the... to position how you want the camera to be. I do recall this breaking off because it used to be a handle to hold the phone in place. So, let me see what I can do. Let's see. It look all cute and pink. Hey y'all, so I'm in the beauty store and they're supposed to have a lot of different things. So I'm trying to see what I can find. If it's not a wig, maybe some hair that I can use later on. Hey you guys, so I don't really like the lighting right now, but yes, I found like a wig that I'm going to probably try out in another video. And I don't know, I would say sometimes customer service is annoying, like when you go in certain beauty stores, because like if you're purchasing, you should be treated like a good customer or whatever, that makes sense. I don't want to feel like somebody thinks that you're stealing, and that's not the case. So anyway, I'm getting my food. I just wanted something like good because I don't know. I got me a well-deserved meal. I've also been losing weight, so that's a good thing. So I don't feel bad about what I'm getting to eat. So I got ribs, shrimp. It's a meal. I'm not sure what it looks like, but it's like ribs, shrimp, fries, and I'm looking because this car actually is going to back up into the car. Like, no. Pay attention. If you don't have a backup camera, Look, or just don't back up at all if you don't know how to back up. Alright, y'all. Anyway, this was come with ribs, shrimp, fries, and baked beans, but I don't think I'm gonna eat it all. Of course, I have some for later. But I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting patiently. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Appetit, we got the, let me cut into it to show y'all. Hey you guys, what is up? It's your girl Nicole. It is the next day, so we're gonna start this vlog off. It's still continuous vlog. It's like a weekly vlog that I'm doing, as you know. So I'm going to get my nails done. I have a 1:30 appointment and I'm super excited. After many like decisions of trying to decide what type of design I look, because I was trying to try something different but spring like. Anyway, I'm gonna get my nails done and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. Hey everyone, so my nails is done. Oh, hold on, I'm at the car wash. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I got my nails done and they're so cute. Look at them, y'all. Look, hold on. So I was going for like a springish. Also, my favorite color is purple. So, and also it reminds me of Easter. So yeah, I hope we'll see how they do. They're really cute. And anyway, I'm at the car wash now because oh my god, the pollen is outrageous. I have allergies, so you know me, I gotta watch out for that. I gotta figure out, I gotta wash my car, probably be back on my car tomorrow, but it's worth the try. So anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all soon. I don't know what we're doing today. I gotta get another video up for y'all today as we speak. And I just love my hair. Is coming out so lovely. No work to do to it. It's really cute. And yeah. I know, right? Oh, so I'm about to be next, y'all. Next to get the car washed.
What did you think saying? Still her drive full.
I know. Yeah, it's good. I get one of those things that you can pick out the card when you have nails.
I hope it don't pull your polish off.
Yeah. Okay, quick tip, y'all. Carry some tweezers or something with you. If you have nails this length, you gonna need them, because I just tried to put my card in the machine and I was struggling. I was like, craps, can't get it. And people in line behind me, so I'm pretty sure they saw it, and that makes it even more funnier. That's just me. I laugh at myself, honestly. So yeah, I might have to take tweezers with me. Unless someone out there, can you tell me if there's an investment I can make for nail, like if you have long nails, what to use to get the cards out of machines or the gas pump? Okay, y'all, I'm going in the car wash now. Yay, car wash time, even though the pollen be back tomorrow. Okay.
See if she even got the tip of the
Yeah, that'd be funny.
Really?
Okay, now I'm about to, like, as you would call, detail my car. Not really, because I'm not a detailer, but trying to be all professional and wipe the car off a little bit after washing it. So anyway, my hair is flowing in the wind. You go see me do that. Supposed to do. I'm not a professional, so you're supposed to detail your car. But normally I don't do this, so I either get some help on this. Yeah, it's kind of doing this thing, drying itself, so I'm done with it. Right. Hey you guys, happy Easter. I meant to come back on earlier. It is Easter. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday. I gotta put some lipstick on before I go, but I want to show y'all how the decorations look. We're about to go, you know, meet up and go out and celebrate Easter now. I will catch y'all later. We go into my grandma's house and then I'll go from there because I'm kind of running a little bit late because I was just trying to make sure, you know, I look good. Anyway, I love my nails. All right, see y'all in a little bit, okay? I wanted to show you I got these flowers for my mom, and I also got some more flowers for my grandma. So y'all see that in a little bit. Hey guys, so I made it to grandma's house. Now I'm about to get the flowers, get them in. I'm about to go in. Or is in here?
Yeah.
Is it?
I should do that.
What?
I do it on there.
So we're taking pictures right now, y'all. Just to update y'all.
Already
Okay.
came. I like that. Damn.
Thank you.
Shouldn't.
Okay. Okay. Forgot to show y'all more decor at my grandma's house. So we'll take a look at this. It's much more later day. We've been out and everything. So now we're back again. But let me show y'all the table and everything.
Whatever.
I mean,
Yeah.
this is cute.